I'ma take it home with me. Money in
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What's going on, guys? I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna meet with our bartender today for the wedding and go over some flavor profiles so that way he can have a specialty drink for Nick and a specialty drink for myself. We're at Noble Pie Parlor right now. We ordered some wings and a tater. It's such a beautiful day. It's hella nice today. So we will catch up with you when the wings are here. Wow, look at all this. I'm excited. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. It's right there. The bar is right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you excited? Oh my god. He's excited. In the works. Guys, I'm pretty stoked. I'm excited to see what drinks it comes up with based off of our flavors that we chose. Also, there's already a drink that I have in mind just to have there. It's called Apples to Apples. Fucking bomb. It tastes just like you are like drinking an apple pie, pretty much. So I'm excited to have that there and for everybody to see the really dope ass drinks that this guy makes. Look, Mom, I'm home.
Mom, I can fly.
Good morning, baby. Hi. How are you? Are you ready to go on a hike? What about you, Scar? You want to go on a hike with us? Good morning, everybody. I look like a bag of buttholes. We look like a bag of buttholes right now. But anyways, we are going to get ready and we are going to go on a hike. So, I'll see you in the car.
Alright, so I'm totally not sure how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna take it with and just do like mini test shots today to see if we can even really use this sucker while we're out and about.
On a hike today, on an adventure.
On an adventure we're going, and Durham's coming too. He's in the back hiding like a good boy.
We made it. Here's the pup. And we have made it to our destination. Kind of. So,
I'm not even 100% sure this is where we were supposed to go.
let's come all the way over here real quick. Do you guys see this? Do you see that little lake over there? Can you see it? Oh my god! All the way over there. You see it right there. How beautiful. Initially, the trail that we wanted to hike was called Frog Lake. It's all the way up there, that like little driveway. We came in, I didn't realize it was a pop-in like place to come, so we drove down a little further. I'm sure it'll be just as beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what we find on the way.
I don't know if it's like goddamn illegal to be out here or what, but somehow, some way, there is literally nobody out here. Look at this big, beautiful lake. I mean, it's essentially unreal. Like, I don't even understand how in the fuck we came across this. And there's literally nobody out here. Like, all the way around. Not a single person out enjoying the lake today. Okay, so that was kind of a fail. Not because we didn't make it down, because we totally did, and I touched the water, and it was beautiful. But we get over here, we're hanging out, and some lady walks up, says, "Hey, I couldn't help but notice you had a dog." I'm thinking, this bitch gonna yell at me. There's must be like a no dog sign or something nowhere, so that I didn't see. And so I'm preparing to be like, "Sorry, he's a service dog, fuck off." And then she's all, "Just so you know, this lake is the lake that like dogs are dying in from the bacteria. So definitely don't let your dog swim or drink the water." And we're like, "Okay, we're leaving, bye." So now we head back up the hill.
We looked at it, it was nice. We conquered. It's time to get this babe out of here so he don't die, because he's a very valuable part of this family. Come little round. Yeah, he don't go. Yeah, good boy, baby. Ugh. Back at the car, we did it, love.
It's recording.
Hi. Hello, fam.
After 20 minutes of trying to get this camera to update so that way we could take a video, we finally got it, and we stopped at Jack in the Box to get some chicken strips and teriyaki bowl because we're starving, and shot videos all day, and here we are. We're about to head to Reno and do an escape room, maybe grab a beer, and yeah.
That's about it, right?
Yeah, probably. We made it to Legends. If you can't see, it's that little sign right there, says Legends on it. And we walking up, about to hit that escape room, and hopefully a beer, because I'm thirsty. Yo, the struggle is so real. She can't make a decision between the shoes.
I can't.
So we have to come back later after the escape room and make our decision then, because we're gonna run out of time.
Love, you don't understand. It's so
You're gonna learn this very quickly. She's very indecisive. Not that I'm much more indecisive, but she's very, very, very indecisive. Okay, things have changed. Closes at 6 and we won't have time to come back, so now she has to make a decision.
Love, this isn't easy. What if I get the wrong one? What if I regret the one that I got and then we have to come back to get the other one? And then they don't have my size.
Oh well, then we'll come back. Final decision. Size 7 in the pink lace gray shoe.
Okay, that's mine.
I'm happy about it.
How exciting.
It's finally time for the escape room.
You know what I did do?
What did
I
you
didn't
do?
take into consideration sock thickness.
I'll see you were wearing those little skimpy ass socks.
Yeah, I should have.
Those little fake ass socks. So what
Well, I'll take it home.
happens when
I'll
we wear
wear-
fake socks? Though?
I'll put a pair of socks on with the shoes, and if it doesn't feel comfortable, then we're gonna have to come back.
Oh no, we have to come back.
We might have to.
Oh, that's okay. I like it here.
Me too.
It is escape room time. We're only gonna be like 2 minutes late, which is about usual for us. That's okay. Unfortunately, I don't think they allow cameras in there or anything in there, so
No, I don't think so either.
we'll catch you on the flip side and let you know how it went. So we made it. We had roughly 8 minutes to spare. We only used like 5 hints, which is pretty good considering most people use about 3. And sometimes they don't even get out. So we got out. We escaped the escape room. We are badass bitches.
Yes, we are.
And we only got scared like once the whole time. And it's because there was like these freaking bones that flew out the ceiling and tried to kill us and smack us in the face. But we made it and we're alive and we're back in the car. So now it's time to, you know, grab some beers and head back to the house or something.